Ever felt like your to-do list is longer than your day? Imagine juggling a million calls, endless paperwork, and trying to keep your clients happy, all while growing your service business. Sound familiar? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into a tool that could be your secret weapon, Housecall Pro. Let's face it, running a service business is no joke. You're not just a plumber, electrician, or HVAC technician. You're a business owner, a customer service rep, a scheduler, and a financial wizard, all rolled into one. And let's be honest, wearing that many hats can make you feel like you're juggling chainsaws. So, what if there was a way to streamline all that chaos? What if you could automate tasks, impress your clients, and even grow your business without pulling all your hair out? That's where Housecall Pro comes in. Think of Housecall Pro as your personal business assistant on steroids. It's a cloud-based software designed specifically for service businesses like yours. But don't let the term software scare you off. It's actually pretty user-friendly, and I promise not to bore you with technical jargon. At its core, Housecall Pro is all about efficiency. It helps you manage your schedule like a pro, so you can stop double-booking yourself and start maximizing your time. No more scrambling to find that one appointment you swore you wrote down. With Housecall Pro, your schedule is always at your fingertips. But it doesn't stop there. Housecall Pro also helps you turn those leads into loyal customers. With features like automated appointment reminders and online booking, you'll never lose a client again. And let's talk about paperwork. Who loves filling out endless forms and invoices? Nobody. That's why Housecall Pro has your back. Create estimates, send invoices, and process payments with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to piles of paperwork and hello to more time for doing what you love. And if you're worried about losing track of your finances, don't be. Housecall Pro offers powerful reporting tools that give you a clear picture of your business's health. Know where your money is going, identify your most profitable services, and make data-driven decisions to grow your business. But Housecall Pro isn't just about saving time and money. It's also about providing exceptional customer service. With features like Customer Relationship Management, CRM, you can build stronger relationships with your clients and turn them into raving fans. Plus, with real-time job updates and customer communication tools, you can keep your clients in the loop every step of the way. So, is Housecall Pro worth it? If you're tired of juggling chainsaws and want to take your service business to the next level, the answer is a resounding yes. By streamlining your operations, impressing your clients, and growing your bottom line, Housecall Pro can be a game changer for your business. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, that's a topic for another video. But for now, I encourage you to do your research, watch some tutorials, and see if Housecall Pro is the right fit for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hustling.